We've been working with underground lines and overhead electric distribution over the last year in acquiring the Movex I-270 mini crane hauler. At their request, we worked to find something that was innovative but also more ergonomic to help them with the transportation and replacement of Padmount Transformers. This piece of equipment was purchased for the use primarily in residential areas and hard to reach places. They only have a width of 30 inches. They are completely battery electric, so it's a quieter operation. We currently have 5 of these units in service. This machine offers a total package. It offers minimal impact to the environment through zero emissions. Also, with its off-road capabilities and lifting capacities, offers less impact to individuals out there in the field performing service work.
When I look at this mini crawler crane from Movex, for me it reminds me of my dad. You know, my dad is a mechanic and he has in his toolbox a lot of tools that he doesn't use very often. But when he's getting this specific job to do, he takes that specific tool and it helps him to do it on a more efficient way, on a faster way, and actually with less trouble. And this is exactly what is this mini crawler crane that we have here in the background. You know, it's not going to replace your typical backyard machine that you can drill a hole and do this. However, it's a unit pick and carry equipment that weighs less than 3,000 pounds, that can lift more than 2,000 pounds, has a very large surface that you can carry whatever you lift it to the job site where you need to go.
As we strive towards zero emissions in the company, this isn't something that is tracked specifically, but as we move future forward, where we can have innovative ideas put into place that will benefit us in our response times and also our impact on the environment, we're going to continue to pursue those.